Silent Noise by Jacqueline Adams. Dog owners are accustomed to seeing their pets prick their ears when everything seems silent. Like many animals, dogs hear sounds that are beyond human reach. Biologist Katy Payne listened to elephants communicate at a zoo in Portland, Oregon. Even when the elephants seemed to be silent, she felt the air throb. It reminded her of the throbbing from a pipe Oregon's slow, doleful tones. Payne began to wonder if elephants made noises not heard by humans. She recorded the elephants with a device that picked up sounds below the range of human hearing. She discovered a torrent of rumbling. There was a whole communication system down there that people hadn't known about, she said. This would help solve an elephant mystery that had puzzled biologists for years. Elephants pick up frequencies too low for humans to hear. How low can you go? Biologists have heard a wide range of elephant sounds, from mothers' gentle rumbling as they coaxed their calves along to urgent trumpeting that warned of danger. But how elephants kept track of each other in the wild remained a mystery. Elephants live clustered in groups that stay a couple miles apart, but traveled in the same direction. When one group changed direction, other groups swiveled to follow. How did the elephants know what faraway groups were doing? The mystery was solved when Payne discovered that elephants communicate with infrasonic sound. Because low-pitched transmissions travel farther, elephants can communicate over long distances. Catch the wave. Sound energy travels in waves. When sound waves reach the outer ear, they are funneled inside, starting a chain reaction. The eardrums vibrates, moving tiny bones in the middle ear and passing the waves to the inner ear. The number of waves that travel each second is a sound's frequency, measured in hertz. The human ear is tuned to hear frequencies between 20 and 20,000 hertz. Squeaks and chirps. Animals such as dogs, dolphins, and bats go to the opposite extreme. They pick up supersonic or ultrasonic sound frequencies. These sounds are above the range of human hearing. Even though bats can see, sight isn't enough for fighting insects at night. Bats send out a clamor of supersonic chirps into what looks like a dark void. These high-frequency waves bounce off insects and come back to tell the bat where the insects are. The human's what sounds like a quiet night is filled with a silent noise. Comparing animal hearing frequencies, hertz. Elephant 1 to 20,000 hertz. Human 20 to 20,000 hertz. Dog 67 to 45,000 hertz. Dolphin 200 to 150,000 hertz. Bat 2,000 to 110,000 hertz. Greater horseshoe bat.